So for all of you that have been following the build, you've seen that I've been working outside and not really an ideal environment, but now we're actually in the garage. I managed to get out quite a lot of work, so we've got this place cleared out for the V12 Miata, which is cool now. So that means a lot of work is going to get done. No more cold mornings or any sunburn, none of that nonsense. We can actually operate like decent human beings. So for you guys who like to do these sort of car things, work in your garage at home, or you work in a shop, but there's a few improvements that can be made around there for your own benefit. I'm going to show you what I've been working on. This is primarily for the V12 Miata to move it around in this place because it is only a double car garage. So it's not really the biggest of places, but this is going to make things so much easier. So what I'm going to show you is something that I've been working on. It's really not that difficult. I'm going to tell you guys how to do it. And pretty much what I'm going to show you is self-explanatory. But these sort of things cost a couple of $100 and I've managed to do this all under $100. So let me just show you. So I know that these things have many different names, but I've seen the most common name being used for these is vehicle positioning jack. And as you can see, I've only got two complete here. I'm still waiting for the rest of the wheels, which will come tomorrow. But guys, for those of you working in tight spaces, know how important these, well, not important, but how helpful it is having these dollies or whatever you call them. The last video you guys saw was pretty much just this intake itself, but check it out, it's actually an engine now, and how good does this look? Damn! But anyways, back to what I was talking about. I have all of these bent out. Now here comes the important part that I want to show you guys. Pretty much everything is standard, but this is something that can be easily overlooked. So these are going to be placed just like this, keeping in mind that the wheels still need place. So I don't have the other wheels, so this is my last wheel, but never mind that for now. Now it's important that you follow this step. So easy way to get these things level is, even if your floor isn't straight itself, you put a straight edge on there, or a spirit level, whatever you guys want to call it, and then you want to match up this so it's pretty much in the middle. Now we want to do the same thing with this, so you can see it's off there. So now we want to just move this down so that we can get this level. Just move it along, you know, depending on what side you need to go. There you can see that one's level, and then we do the same with this one. It's just to make it super easy for you guys to get this thing as straight as you can without battling too much. Okay guys, that's it. That's how it's done. I just want to show you how nicely these glide. So we'll do a test and then I will pull the Miata in and see how well it does on these things. Guys, one more thing, just so you know, these casters that I got as well, very good price. Just this unit itself with these wheels is rated to up to about half a ton. So each wheel has got a rating of 120 kgs, and that is more than enough for most cars. Don't laugh at me when I try and push this in by myself. I've got a bit of an incline here, we'll see. Okay, that actually wasn't too bad. Looks like our jack stand things worked. Okay guys, well let's see how easy this is. Hope these wheels don't break, they shouldn't though. Damn. That is smooth, that is so much easier than I thought. Nice. Very nice. Damn, this is going to be a real pleasure to work on this car. Once I have the other dollies in the front done. Love it. I know that a lot of you guys have been wondering why I've been so quiet. Well, this is one of the reasons why. Not necessarily this job, but a couple of jobs like this. So, probably most of you guys won't know, but this is a British mid-engine rear-wheel drive sports car. It's an MG. I don't actually think they still in business or if they still operate. I know there's quite a few late models from 2013 and I think 14 as well. But as far as I know, this company doesn't really exist anymore. But this is the job. Oh, damn, that thing just broken. So this is a job that I'm going to be doing now. Let me show you what's up here. Let me just get this bonnet on its stand. Okay, so this is the next job at hand, and I know that the whole YouTube car rebuild thing has sort of come and gone, but like I said, this is the type of work that I do that keeps me busy and at least brings in a bit of an income so that I can put into that over there. That damage might not look so bad, but I mean, check at that, guys, that is bad. This whole impact bar is completely smashed in. Smashed the AC condenser, smashed the radiator. Can't even get the spare wheel out. It's jammed in here so bad. I'm going to be doing a lot of pulling and straightening to get this out. I do have replacement parts for this, which is cool, which was almost impossible to get, so I kind of got lucky on this. But if you do want to see videos of this, just let me know in the comments, and if you give a thumbs up, like, then I know that it's worth me doing filming, because as you guys know, it takes quite a while to work and film at the same time. But this is what's up. This is where the money's at. Now you guys can actually see how bad the damage is without this bumper cover. Alright you guys, so we fully stripped, and this is the damage on the body. Not too bad. Do a nice decent pull on this, straighten this whole thing out. Little bit of panel beating. We'll probably end up taking this tray and replacing it with the other donor one that we have, so that's going to be good. And then the rest is just minor panel beating.